shoemaking is an ancient craft, an ancient tradition. More traditional shoemakers are used to using their specific shoemaking tools, and they don't necessarily look forward to using new or different ones. Arriving at the pier, I started to realise that wasn't necessarily bound to using those pre-existing materials or processes. I wanted to see what other possibilities there were for manufacturing and any new techniques that I could bring into my practice. I really like to combine heritage with more digital means of making, so a foot in the past and one in the future. I found that by using new techniques, I've actually been able to make my life easier. I really enjoyed seeing my own personal transition, introducing 3D design and 3D modeling into my practice. I was able to essentially run my entire shoemaking process through the CAD software to begin with before I even had to turn my hands to anything. I was sat next to an architect named Jeff Ponitz, and he is working on amazing parametric patterns and parametric cuts to create volume from two-dimensional spaces, and actually creating a new style of shoe from his architectural-inspired designs. I tend to come up with something in my head and then get that into a shoe as quickly as possible. One thing that strikes me about the new ideas that people are exploring at the pier is a sense of democratization of the manufacturing process. It sort of levels the playing field in that sense and enables more people to input and to feed back into that process, to join the conversation. It liberated me in a sense, which I think for design and manufacturing can only be a good thing.